So hi, I'm Brian from Rindt Vehicle Design. This is Ryan, London Waterjet. We've known these guys quite a while. Anything we need cutting, we get Ludo or Cornell, one of the fabricators, to make up templates. Then we get these guys to do their funky stuff. So I'll turn you over.
Yeah, I'm Brian. I work for London Waterjet. We run a subcontract profile cutting service. We use waterjets and laser cutting systems, and we can cut pretty much any material in any thickness to any shape, essentially. So that's metal, plastics, wood, ceramic, you name it, we'll cut it. So yeah, that's what we do. And we've been working with Brian for a long time with all of his interesting projects, and it's been good. Interesting to see what they do with it. We like cars, we're into all that sort of stuff.
Definite car people.
Yeah, we are, yeah. Brian's also worked on my car, his company's done a lot of work on mine. So it's been a great relationship, and we look forward to doing more stuff in the future.
So we'll show you what the process is for this one. This is for the sump guards for a 944 Safari, so let's see what happens.
Yeah, so there we have it. The process took 7 minutes. Really nice, clean edge, nicely finished. Pretty much ready to go straight on the car.
How's it going, guys? I'm Gavin. This is a 944 Safari car that we've been working on, making good progress with it. We are waiting on the under tray turning up. It's just been cut, so we can get that bolted onto the car, finish off the front end nicely. Colour of it already, we've got custom light pod that we've made for it. It was originally for a Mark II Escort that we have obviously had to cut about. It was originally a 4 light, cut it down to 3. Custom built all the sides of it, made it fit.
I plugged in, and there it is. So we need to fold that a couple of times, bolt it on. Give us another 3 weeks, this will be on the road. The suspension, it has been now developed and it's now in build. So roof rack, spotlights, bigger tyres, be a fun thing.
It's coming together.
I'll leave you to carry on. Well done.
Thank you. Yeah, so you can see we've gone sort of in keeping with the sort of rally outdoorsy thing. We've chosen Irish green. Which don't actually get the 944s in it, I think, so that's something. These are going to go, once we get the roof rack in place, these are going to sit somewhere here. So you can definitely see where you're going to be going at night. Quite a large light. So yeah, I think all that we have left bodywork wise on it, we've got the bumpers to paint. Once that's finished, we'll get that into paint. I'm going to do the black wheels, so it will be a sort of green and black colour combination on it. So yeah, that's that. Quite a lot of progress on it. So stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully see a little bit more progress on it again. And yeah, hit the subscribe button.